Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to buy Robux using GCash. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Roblox application on your phone or computer. Once you are in the app, click on the Robux option. You will see a list of available amounts of Robux to purchase. Choose the amount you want to buy. If you do not see the GCash option on this page, scroll down and click on Other at the bottom. In the new list that appears, you will find various payment methods, including GCash. If you do not see GCash, ensure that you have selected the country as the Philippines. After that, press the Continue button. Next, you will be prompted to scan a QR code using the GCash application to complete your purchase. Open your GCash app and scan the code displayed on your screen. Finally, click on the Pay button at the bottom of the screen to finalize your transaction. Once the payment is processed, return to Roblox, and you will find that your Robux has been added to your account. So that's basically how you can buy Robux using GCash. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.